Hi, this is Carlos with the ComfortStar Technical Support Department. Today we will be going over the installation of a CPR or CPH side discharge unit when attached to any third-party air handler or enclosed case when controlled with a 24-volt thermostat in a straight cool scenario. This is scenario number 5, which can be found on our website, in the installation manual, or on our technical support app on your phone. Let's get started. In your condenser, you're gonna put dip switch number 2 needs to be on the up position, on the on position. For straight cool, you will connect your R, your C, and your Y2 going to your air handler or your thermostat. You will connect your Y, your common, and your red to the condenser, and you will finish your thermostat connection with your electric heat if applicable and your blower fan. Once you are done and you put in your power, the condenser will give you a 00 display on the board, letting you know it's on standby and ready to operate. If you have any questions when doing your startup, please feel free to call us at 305-500-9898. Thank you for watching the video.